What's up guys? Ngayong araw muli tayo magre-react sa banda Mission Souls. Ito yung kanilang cover song ng From This Moment ni Shania Twain. Pakinggan natin kung gaano kagaling dito ang banda Mission Souls. Naka-acoustic si Nisha.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment.
Napakalamig naman ng boses ni Mami Sheena.
You are the one, right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on, from this moment I have been blessed.
Duet pala sila dito guys ni Stacy. Yung second stanza si Stacy na.
I live only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath. From this moment on, I'd give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait.
Napaka-iconic nitong kantan to. Talagang maalala mo no? Sa mga nakakaalam guys, anong taon ba sumikat tong kanta ni Shania Twain? I-comment nyo lang guys sa ating comment section.
To live my life with you, I can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dream
Ang galing sa falsetto ni Mami Sheena, no? Napaka-smooth.
came true because of you. From this moment, as long
Yun, no? Ang husay talaga ta-timing ni Ice, no?
as I live, I will love you. I promise you this.
Ayun, nagpalit ng gitara si Nisha. Kanina acoustic Malamang may adlib siya dito. Pasabog na naman siguro.
I wouldn't give from this moment on. Oh.
Wow, ayos. Si Prado talaga ni Naces, no? Yung sa original, gayang-gaya niya. Yung tunog ng keyboard. Pati yung kay Nisha. Grabe. Napakahusay talaga ng tenga nila, no? Magsipra. Talagang nakukuha nila yung tamang tunog. Tsaka nota.
You're the reason I believe love.
Napakaswabe nung adlib ni Nisha na yan.
You're the answer to my prayers from up above. All we need is just the two of us. My dreams.
Ang ganda ng harmony ni Mami Sheena at ni Stacy. Grabe. Ang husay talaga, papalo ni Ice. Talagang hindi siya nawawala sa beat. at sa timing.
I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give from this moment. I will love you as long as I live from this moment on.
Napaka-smooth. Grabe, ang husay talaga ng bandang Mission Souls. Lahat talaga ng cover nila talagang panalo. Wala ka talagang tulak kabigin sa mga kanta nila, guys. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa banda Mission Souls, mag-subscribe na kayo guys. Andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Suportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga cover song. At abangan natin guys. Baka mamaya gumawa rin sila ng kanilang sariling kanta. Ayan. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para man-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating content. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.